Hello and welcome to another Electric World video featuring the latest news about EV world. This time, we will be discussing hot updates on Tesla's wave sensor technology and Huawei's success in EV market. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. It helps you get notified when we post more content just like this. Let's get started. Let's start the video with the big news about Huawei's march against Tesla. A Chinese multinational technology company, Huawei Technologies Company Limited, is best known for designing, developing, and selling telecommunications equipment and consumer electronics. However, Huawei is going to enter the electric car manufacturing business and aiming to surpass Tesla. And now, Huawei has unveiled its first car at the ongoing Shanghai Auto Show. The electric SUV, known as the SF5, was built in collaboration with Cyrus and will be sold under the SERES brand. The SF5 has a length of 4,700 millimeters, a width of 1,930 millimeters, a height of 1,625 millimeters, and a wheelbase of 2,875 millimeters. And the car has a swept back headlights and a mesh grille flanked by eye-catching LED DRLs. Because of the sloping roofline, the SG5 also has a floating bodywork, flush-mounted door handles, and a mildly lightweight greenhouse. There are two screens inside, one behind the steering wheel and another bigger one in the center console. The Huawei car has voice control, an inductive charging station for smartphones, and a selection of Huawei applications that have been optimized for use in the car. Huawei announced that the vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that also serves as a generator. It charges a battery pack, which drives up to two electric motors with a total power output of 551 PS and torque of 820 Nm. This allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in around 4.7 seconds. According to the new European driving cycle, the SF5 will travel up to 180 kilometers on electricity alone and over 1,000 kilometers overall. The car will also act as a generator, allowing it to fuel anything from televisions to electric cars. It also enables the battery to be used as a power source for external consumers, V2L, such as camping, induction hobs, stereos, and other travel convenience equipment. The car, which is equipped with radar and ultrasonic sensors, aims to provide driver assistance features such as traffic jam assistance, collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and a lane departure warning feature, as well as adaptive cruise control. The Huawei SF5 also has front sport seats with cooling, heating, and massage features. It also includes intelligent seat customization, which promises to make moving in and out of the car more convenient. The Huawei SF5 will be available in 4 colors: deep ocean blue, charcoal black, pearl white, and titanium silver gray, with interior trim in midnight black, garnet red, and ivory white. Deliveries are set to begin next month, with prices starting at 216,800 yuan, which converts to around 33,377 US dollars. Another big news is that Tesla Safety Tech takes giant step with wave sensor technology. The Federal Communications Commission, FCC, has approved Tesla's request for a millimeter wave sensor for child safety and anti-theft measures. Tesla received a grant of waivers on April 14, 2021, along with 5 other businesses, allowing the installation of radar sensors in the 57 to 64 GHz frequency band in passenger vehicles. The system is also expected to play a role in the company's upcoming driver monitoring system, which will keep drivers alert when using the company's full self-driving suite. Veyar Imaging Limited, Vallejo North America, Infineon Technologies America Corp., IEE Sensing Incorporated, and Bros North America were also permitted to use millimeter wave sensors in the document. Tesla and IEE have been permitted to use 60 to 64 gigahertz, while the other companies will use 57 to 64 gigahertz. According to Teslarati's report, in August 2020, Tesla requested the FCC to approve a short-range motion sensor that would prevent children from being left in hot cars. The sensor will also improve the company's theft prevention system because it would be active about 6 feet outside the car to provide vehicle protection advantages such as detecting a broken window or vehicle intrusion. On July 31st, 2020, the company originally filed a request for a waiver. After months of research and deliberation, the FCC has decided to waive requirements that would prohibit these systems from being approved. The government agency says that we find that granting these waivers will provide immediate relief to the industry and the public in this area. Specifically, our action will bring forth substantial public benefits by improving vehicular safety for children and providing opportunities for additional vehicular automation and theft prevention applications without increasing the potential for harmful interference to authorized users in the band. According to new FCC documents obtained by Teslarati, Tesla's system will use 4 transmit and 3 receive antennas powered by a highly configurable radar front-end unit, and in-vehicle radar modulation will consist of consecutive frames, including an acquisition sequence consisting of a repetition of frequency chirps or stepped chirps, a listening time, and then a signal processing period. However, the sensor may have other purposes, such as monitoring driver behavior and attentiveness when using autopilot or full self-driving, which aligns with the company's existing plans to track driver behavior and attentiveness during the use of autopilot or full self-driving. This device can track facial expressions and vital signs, in conjunction with the vehicle's interior cabin camera, to ensure that the driver is paying attention. Tesla recently removed certain owners' rights to the FSD beta program because they were not paying attention when using the FSD suite. Tesla hacker Green leaked a video of the driver monitoring device in early April, showing how the interior cabin camera can continually scan the driver's face. This ensures that a driver using the FSD or autopilot systems remains focused on the road. Since Tesla's FSD doesn't operate at level 5, the driver must also pay attention to the road and the vehicle surroundings. According to advocates for highway and auto safety, the inclusion of the sensor may be extremely beneficial for autonomous vehicles. Safety advocates said that when autonomous vehicles, AVs, are deployed into our roads in the future, the ability of a vehicle to identify and classify all passengers will certainly be crucial, because AVs will need to know the number of occupants and whether they are properly restrained before attempting to move. The system was designed to identify children who had been left in a hot car. According to Tesla's original filing, the device provides depth perception and can see through soft fabric, such as a blanket shielding a child in a child restraint. According to Tesla, the system can differentiate between a child and an object left on the seat, minimizing the risk of false alarms. It can also track micro movements, such as breathing rhythms and pulse speeds, which cannot be captured by cameras or in-seat sensors alone. The FCC gave Google permission to use a computer under the same technological parameters in 2018. The system would also be capable of detecting theft attempts, which could be combined with the highly successful Tesla Sentry Mode. Sentry Mode tracks incidents that occur near the car and has previously assisted police in cracking many vandalism and theft crimes. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, 105 children were killed in hot cars in 2018 and 2019. The accident happened 54% of the time when someone forgot their child was in the car. If the millimeter wave sensor is approved by a large number of people after Tesla's use, the number could drop dramatically. That was all for today and the latest news we knew about Tesla, and thanks for watching the video. If you want to continue to learn about everything regarding Tesla's next projects and Elon Musk or electric vehicles, we've got 2 more video options for you on the screen to check out. And don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and subscribe to our Electric World channel for daily content just like this.